In the UK, a preserved Sinclair C5 electric tricycle, still in its factory-sealed packaging after nearly 4 decades, is now up for auction for £10,000, about $12,000. Designed by British inventor Sir Clive Sinclair, the C5 aimed to be a breakthrough in urban transportation, but faced significant commercial challenges upon its 1985 release. Despite being one of the earliest mass-produced electric vehicles, this innovative microcar ultimately failed to capture widespread consumer interest, selling only 14,000 of an anticipated 200,000 units. Marketed as a futuristic personal vehicle, the C5 boasted a simple design featuring a recumbent seat, a 250-watt motor, and pedal assistance for low-speed mobility. However, practical issues, such as a short battery life of 6 to 12 miles and a lack of visibility on the road, hampered its functionality. Safety concerns grew as users found themselves at eye level with vehicle exhausts and lacking essential features like mirrors and suspension. Although priced affordably at £399, around $530 today, the C5's niche appeal and design limitations relegated it to an iconic yet unconventional chapter in EV history. Today, the C5 enjoys a cult following among vintage technology enthusiasts. With few original units surviving, and even fewer still in pristine packaging, this rare listing is expected to draw significant attention.